Hello guys, welcome back to MBBSCouncil. We provide MBBS admission paid counseling guidance for both all India quota and state quota for all states. In the last video, we have compared the last 2-year score difference for regular all India rank intervals. If you are new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to this channel now and press the bell icon to get notified instantly. So in this video, let's analyze last 3 years score trend and performance comparison. Initially, we made the video with the data which were collected right after the day of the NEET result. For this video, we have taken the last 1 week data collected from more than 5,000 students. So let's begin this video. Here in this slide, we have compared the NEET score of 2022 to 2019. For the year 2019, you can see the score was comparatively low to the other previous years because the question paper was moderate. For example, let us take the All India rank 10,000. For 2022, the NEET score was 628. In 2021, it was 624. And in 2020, it was 625. And in 2019, it was 591. This slide denotes the increase of score at each All India rank interval. Here more or like the score is similar, but in some cases there are big deviations. Let's see this chart through a table format so that you can understand better. Above 1000 rank, there is an increase of 3 marks, meaning that the performance has decreased compared to last year. From 10,000 rank to 50,000 rank, there is a decrease of marks, meaning that the performance has improved. And below 2 lakh, there is a much more variation of marks, meaning that the performance has become very poor compared to last year. So we can conclude that those who are between 10,000 and 50,000 are mostly repeaters who have performed well this year. For example, let us take the last year cutoff of 3A general category of Karnataka state government colleges. It was around 53,979 and there is a respective NEET score was 539. Just now, we have seen for the All India rank 50,000, the score was slightly decreased by 3 marks. So we can say that for this year, it may become around 536. Similarly, if you take Andhra state SC category government college cutoff, it was around 1,32,251. By this year analysis, we can predict that it may come around 448 by decreasing 3 marks. Like this, you can also do for your state and your category using the All India rank. You can get all colleges for all categories in the MBBSCouncil Android app. I'll leave the link in the description. You can install it by clicking it. In the previous video itself, I have told there are more than 50 colleges that have been approved. So based on the increase in seats and for each state, let's see the expected cutoff in the upcoming videos. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get regular counseling updates.